Should stars be held responsible for the brands they endorse? एक ऐसा सवाल जो आजकल सबकी जुबान पर है।
You can take up a case against them if there is a problem. You can, but you cannot hold the person who was endorsing that brand responsible.
I don't think it's fair that the actors are held responsible.
I don't think that they should be held liable because then in that sense even the director directing the ad or the producer जो production का order लेता है या जो light man light देता है, everyone should be held liable then.
सबसे रिसेंटली एक जाने माने फूड प्रोडक्ट को पॉइजनस अनाउंस कर दिया गया है। फूड कंपनी पर लीगल एक्यूजेशंस और चार्जेस की लंबी लिस्ट तो तैयार हो ही चुकी है, मगर साथ ही में अमिताभ बच्चन, माधुरी दीक्षित और प्रीति जिंटा जैसे बॉलीवुड के बड़े स्टार्स के खिलाफ भी कोर्ट ने एफआईआर फाइल की है। अब ऐसे में छिड़ गई है एक नई डिबेट, whether celebrities should be held responsible or not.
Also, something like in our country, there's a quality control, there's an ISI, there is whole government machinery that has to check the quality of the product that people are consuming. I think we should also question that agency.
See, when you're doing alcohol or tobacco or something like that, you know that it's not a no-no. But when it's a food product by a very respected company, then how are you supposed to actually know what the ingredients are?
जब कोई दुकान पर सामान खरीदने जाता है तो उसे ब्रांड का नाम भले से याद नहीं रहे, मगर उसे ये जरूर याद रहता है कि बॉलीवुड का कौन सा स्टार किस ब्रांड को एंडोर्स करता है। एंड टू इन्फ्लुएंस द कंज्यूमर, brands spend crores and crores of money to get big stars to endorse their product. तो ऐसे में क्या stars responsible होते हैं?
Everyone, when we sign up a contract with any company, there is a certain clause or clauses within that contract in which the company assures you that all the research that they have done, all the information that is out in public domain is accurate information, is based on fact. They are not lying to the public. You have to believe them because we are not scientists to say that we'll take it to a lab and test it ourselves. We won't know what to do with it.
I don't think it's fair that the actors are held responsible. वैसे फिर सारे टीवी चैनल्स, retailers और जो board होती है which clears all food product, they should hold everyone responsible.
Well, जहां एक तरफ बॉलीवुड के कई स्टार्स का कहना है that stars should not be held responsible, वहीं दूसरी तरफ कुछ ऐसे भी सेलिब्रिटीज हैं जिनकी सोच इन सब से अलग है।
It's important that when you decide to do a product or a brand, you need to know more about it. You need to decide is it going to be good because आपको देख के वो लोग खरीद रहे हैं वो प्रोडक्ट, इसलिए तो वो आपके पास आया है वो जो भी ब्रांड आया है। तो do you want to leverage your name so they can increase their sales and is it good?
Well, भले ही इस मामले में सेलेब्स की अलग-अलग राय है, मगर जो स्टार्स इस इंसिडेंट के बीचों बीच हैं, वो फिलहाल इस पर ज्यादा कुछ कहते हुए नजर नहीं आए।
My matter is now sub judice, so I won't be able to say anything. But all I can say is that as soon as I get the notice, my lawyers will look through it. We will follow the law of the land, and they shall have my fullest cooperation.
बिग बी ने तो इस मामले में ज्यादा कुछ कहना पसंद ही नहीं किया, मगर माधुरी दीक्षित और प्रीति जिंटा ने इस कंट्रोवर्सी की सोशल मीडिया पर जरूर चर्चा की। Reading the news about me being sued for doing a Maggie commercial over 12 years ago. 12 years ago! How does that happen? Like most of India, I have enjoyed Maggie noodles for years. I was very concerned after recent reports and met with the Nestle team. Since this incident, celebrities undoubtedly have become more careful now. और उनमें से एक हैं रणवीर सिंह भी, जिन्होंने इस कंट्रोवर्सी के बाद ही अपने फूड ब्रांड से नेसेसरी टेस्ट्स और क्लियरेंसेस देखने की बात भी की है। Well, not just that. A few celebrities have already started thinking of drawing up a special clause in their endorsement deals, ताकि फ्यूचर में वो legally responsible ना ठहराए जाएं।
I think that's what we'll have to do now.
Even though the brand in question here has announced to clear the existing stock from India and replace it, but the question here still remains unanswered. कि क्या स्टार्स इसके लिए जिम्मेदार हैं? वेल, भले ही कोर्ट का फैसला इस मामले में आखिरी होगा, मगर लगता है कि बॉलीवुड ने इस पर अपना फैसला ऑलरेडी सुना दिया है। ब्यूरो रिपोर्ट, ज़ूम, मुंबई।